Hi, I'm Dr. Marshall Dornink with Universal Chiropractic. Today we're going to show you how to do one of the SP Complete smoothie recipes that come along with the 28-day blood sugar cleanse. Today we're going to be making the apple cinnamon surprise shake. So this is a nice kind of fall shake to do. It's got some apple, got some cinnamon. So we're going to be using our SP Complete vanilla. We've got half a banana here, one medium apple that I cut up into slices, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I also like to add a little bit of nutmeg for some flavor. So you can kind of play around with some of the additional flavors with your smoothies as you go and kind of find out what you feel works best for you or what kind of taste that you like. And then with that, we've also got 8 ounces of water. So again, you can kind of adjust the water too as you like. If you want something that's a little bit thicker, you use less water. If you don't like a real thick smoothie, use a little bit more water. But we're just going to kind of go with the standard 1 cup, 8 ounces of water today. So I'll put my apples in here. Whatever apple you like. I've kind of got a mix of like some Granny Smith and some Gala apples in there. And my SP Complete here. The recipe says 2. I'm going to go with 3 scoops. I like a little bit thicker shake. And I'm just going to put in my cinnamon and nutmeg. And any kind of, I like these, like the Magic Bullet, or they have like the Ninja blenders that have like the to-go cups. You can kind of blend it up in the morning and take it with you on the go. And you just blend that up until it's nice and smooth. Got your SP Complete shake for the day. Tasty.